Did you know that the human body holds countless mysteries that are yet to be fully understood? Today, we are going to delve into 10 fascinating facts about the human body that you probably never knew. The human brain is composed of about 60% fat, making it one of the fattiest organs in the body. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it constantly renews itself every 28 days. The small intestine is about 22 feet long, responsible for absorbing the majority of the nutrients from your food. Each person has a unique set of fingerprints that are formed in the womb and remain the same throughout their life. Did you know that the human body has more bones when you are born than when you are an adult? Babies are born with around 300 bones, which fuse together as they grow. Your eyes can distinguish about 10 million different colors thanks to the various cone cells in the retina. The human heart beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping approximately 2,000 gallons of blood. The stronger your muscles, the faster you burn calories, even when at rest. Muscles can burn up to 50 calories per pound daily. Your stomach lining produces a new layer of mucus every 2 weeks, protecting itself from the digestive acids. The human body is capable of surviving without food for about 3 weeks, but only 3 to 4 days without water. With these incredible facts in mind, it's clear that the human body is a marvel of nature. Take care of your body, nourish it, and marvel at the incredible processes that keep you alive every single day. What other facts about the human body have astonished you? Share your thoughts in the comments below.